Healthy breakfast.
Hello, hi friends, welcome to Sushma Feed Fantasy. Today I am preparing smoothie, healthy breakfast. So let's prepare the smoothie. Got some strawberries, banana and passion fruit and blueberries and kiwi and plain oats. Then add everything into the jar. Add some chia seeds and 1 tablespoon honey and add 1 tablespoon sugar. Let's blend it. Then add some almond milk. You can use any other cow milk or buffalo milk. That's all. Add into your bowl and you can decorate with garnish with fruits. That's all. Here you go. Yummy healthy breakfast smoothie. Thanks for watching my videos. If you are new in my channel, please do subscribe my channel and please like, share, comment and don't forget to press the bell icon. And don't forget to share with your friends and families. And see you in next video. Until then, bye.